In this video, I will provide you with another way to build a shed roof that's going to be a little bit easier than this one right here. And I really don't know if it's going to cost much more, but if you want to see a gable roof on your shed, then go to the website, click on Outdoors and then Sheds, or find sheds on the Home Index page. And I don't think it'll be that difficult to find this design here where I show you how to build it. But there is an easier way if you're just looking for something to drain the water off the top of the roof and maybe even save some money on your shingles. The lower sloping roofs usually are cheaper to install, so keep that in mind also. So what we're going to do here, we have an 8-foot span. I'm going to grab a 2x8, and then I'm just simply going to come down 2 inches right here, and then draw a straight line all the way back to the top corner here. And that 2 inches will provide me with a 1/4 of an inch per foot slope. If I want a little bit more, I'll just simply lower this a little bit, or go to the next size, like a 2x10, and then maybe come down 4 or 5 inches. And like I said, this is an 8-foot long board. If I had a 10-foot or a 12-foot long board, I would just simply adjust the measurement accordingly. For example, if I had a longer span, I might buy a 2x12. Just don't forget that the minimum is a 1/4 of an inch per foot, and that's what we're going to end up with here. So we have an 8-foot by 8-foot shed, and we're using a 2x8 that is going to be 7.5 inches here, 5.5 inches here. Or I can buy a 2x6 and then cut a rip strip. This is another way to do it and might save you a few dollars. And if you're looking for a little more slope, you could always buy a 2x4 and slope it from 3.5 inches down to nothing. And don't forget that as long as you go from the top corner to the bottom corner, you're going to be able to use both pieces once you cut it in half, if you're going to use the rip strip method. And what I'm shooting for here is to create an easier roof for you to build. Next up, let's go ahead and install our blocks. We're going to have blocks on both sides, and these blocks can be shaped at the top to match the slope of the roof. And then we're going to put some backing on. And this board right here will be smaller than our fascia board. So we're going to use a 2x4 all the way around the perimeter to provide us with a gap here that we'll be able to slide our stucco or our siding under. So a 2x4 here, 2x6 fascia board, going to give us a 2-inch gap there. And I didn't miter the corners. You can go ahead and miter the corners to make it look nicer. And that is how we do it. And keep in mind with this method here, the water will be draining off the sloped side here. And make sure that you build the shed to where the water will be able to drain off to a safe area, or to where you'll put a gutter on it and then direct the flow of the water from the gutter into a safe place, something that is not going to be creating an erosion problem. And a warning out there, I remember one time seeing a shed like this where they had this sloping over their neighbor's fence. And all the water drained into their neighbor's yard, creating quite the undiplomatic situation. And hopefully you got a little more out of the video than just learning how to build a easy shed roof. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.